Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Amphibian King from Pixar's Hoppers. So let's get started. To draw this cute bullfrog, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a straight line. And then I'm going to connect it with a curve right underneath. About right there. And then right about here, I'm just going to put in this little dot for the eye. And then I'm going to come right across. So let's say about here maybe. Nice and wide, and do the same thing. And this time, let's same thing right here. Put this little dot. And then now that we have that, I'm going to lightly just kind of draw this curve going right underneath the eye. Just to give a little bit of detail. And then I'm going to come right here on this point right here and come out really close to it. Same thing on the other side. And let's go ahead and draw a curve right over the eye, and I'm going to extend it out past it to about right here, and just draw a little line right about here, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. There, covered for the eyes, and then we're going to bring it down to about right there, and same thing here. Then I'll just come in here and just thicken up this top line. And so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the body. So I'm going to come right here and we're going to go out nice and big. This big bullfrog body. Oh, you know what? Sorry. Before I do that, let's go ahead and draw the crown. So right about here, I'm going to go ahead, come down on both sides. Same thing over here, and then connect it to create our crown. And then since I'm here, I'm just going to put a tiny heart up here to make this my Draw So Cute Amphibian King. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and finish the body. We're going to go out nice and wide. So back and forth. So then about right there, let's start to bring it in. He's all puffed up, right? Because he's the king. So then before I finish that, let's come back here and say about right here, I'm just going to put in 2 little nostrils. And then for the mouth, I'm going to come down the center and say about right here, I'll just give myself a point. That's so silly. Okay, but we got to make this a mouth. So let's come here and we're going to curve up. And then right underneath the eye, bring it down. And so same thing on the other side. Underneath the eye, go up and then bring it down. So match the other side. So about right there. And cap it off. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and finish the body. So let's say about in this area, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve on both sides. So I'm just going to drag this across and say approximately same thing. So right there, I'm going to put in these 2 curves and come right about here. And let's work on this side first. So we're going to draw these little bullfrog fingers. So 1, 2, 3. You put in the little curves right there, and then just bring this in. Just kind of tuck it in. So same thing on the other side. So once again, 1, 2, 3. No curves, and bring this in. There. And then in between, I'm just going to add a soft line right there. And then for the legs, the back legs right about here, just use tiny little curve right here. Then bring this foot, 1, 2, 3, and then just put it in, and same thing. So same thing on the other side, right about here. One, 2, 3, and in. And same thing there. Okay, so now that we have that, we are pretty much done with the frog, but let's have it sit on a lily pad. So if you want to do that, say about right here, and drag this across to the other side approximately, and we're going to draw this kind of ovalish shape. About there, and then let's kind of wobble it, and then maybe about here you can put in a little, what do you call that? I'm lost for words. And let's go ahead and just finish our oval. Kind of wobble a little bit so it looks more natural. And complete it. Little break, just break it in right there. And that is pretty much it for this drawing of the Amphibian King from Pixar's Hoppers. I really hope I helped you draw this silly bullfrog fun and easy, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.